Please, after watching this video on simultaneous equations, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your colleagues. All right, so we are given this question: x plus 2y is equals to 0. Remember, we asked you to solve this simultaneous equation. X plus 2y is equals to 0. Y is equals to 3 minus 2x. All right. Remember, we have different methods on how to solve simultaneous equations. The first method we have is elimination method. Then the second one we have is substitution method. Then the other one we have is cross division method. Then the other one is graphical method. Then number 5 is matrix method. Basically, those are the 5 major types of method of solving simultaneous equation, right? So basically on this lesson, I'm going to explain on how to solve a simultaneous equation using the one what you call elimination method. Then on the next lesson, I'm going to focus on how to solve the simultaneous equation using substitution method, right? So you can even visit one of my video. I think I uploaded that video almost 2 years ago, right? On 5 methods of solving simultaneous equations. All right, so as for this lesson, I'm going to focus on elimination method, though substitution is easier. So let me write solution. So we're given the first equation, which is x plus 2y is equals to 0. I can name it equation number 1. X plus 2y is equal to 0. I can name it equation number 1. Remember, I'm going to use what you call elimination method. Elimination. I'm going to use the one of the methods of solving simultaneous equations, which is elimination method. That's the method I'm going to use to solve this simultaneous equation. X plus 2y is equal to 0. Simultaneous means killing two things at the same time. So we are going to solve and find both x and y simultaneously at the same time. All right. So x plus 2y is equal to 0. That's equation number 1. So remember, x is the letter which is found at the beginning of this equation, then followed by the one with y, then a constant. So we have to arrange this equation: y is equals to 3 minus 2x to this form. All right. So basically, what I have to do is I have to start with the one with x. So x will cross to this side. This becomes 2x. From this side to this side, 2x. Then y already there is equals to 3 already on the right hand side. I can name it equation number 2. When dealing with elimination, at this point, I have to find the first value, then later on use that value to substitute and find the other value. All right. So let's check whether x or y, if one of them where there is similar expressions. Here we have x, here we have 2x. They are not similar at all. Here we have 2y, here we have y. They are not similar at all. So what I have to do whenever I want to apply elimination method, hence these two are not similar, the two are not similar. What you have to do is, first of all, you choose what is easier for you. I can choose whether this one or this one, and allow them to be similar. So what I have to do so that one of them will be similar. Assuming I want to make here with 2x, I also want to allow here to get 2x at this side. So for me to get 2x on this side, I have to multiply the whole equation. This whole equation, I have to multiply the whole equation. This whole equation. I have to multiply this whole equation by 2. I mean the first whole equation by 2. The first one here, I have multiplied by 2, so that if you say 2 by this x, you get 2x. Then this one, since you want to remain with the 2x, then We want to multiply by, here multiply by 2. We want to multiply by 1. Just because 1 has no effect, 1 can't affect 2x. It remains 2x. Alright? So let's now multiply the 2. 2 times x, we get 2x. 2 times 2y, you get 4y. 2 times 0, we get 0. Alright? Then 1, no effect. So the equation remains the same. Right, so what's next? Now they are similar. Yes, if they are now similar, you can just whether to choose addition or subtraction in order to get 0 here. So for me to get 0 here, I have to subtract everything to get 0 here. I want to get 0 here. So 4 minus this one, here I get 3y was 4 minus y, 4y minus y, you get 3y. 0 minus 3, you get minus 3 here. Then divide by 3, alright? So here y is equals to minus 1. Now I get y. So I can just say substitute y for negative 1. That's negative 1, right? Because this one, you cancel this one, you get negative 1. So I can choose whether equation number 1. This one I can name it equation number 3. This one I can name it equation number 4. So as for me, it's easier for me to choose equation number 1. So equation number 1, right? So equation number 1 says x plus 2y is equals to 0. X plus 2y is equals to 0. But remember, my x, my y is minus 2. It means just substitute x plus 2 times minus 1 is equals to 0. This gives us x minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2. Y is equals to minus 1. So basically, this is how to deal with what we call elimination method. All right. So basically, you can even check if your answers are correct. Just substitute where there is x here, whether this equation or this equation or this equation, one of the equation. You can just substitute where there is x, substitute x by 2, y by minus 1. The left hand side, it should give us right hand side. Let me just substitute when x is 2, here is 2. 2 times this one minus 1. So 2 minus 2 to get 0. Yes, these values, they are correct. You can even substitute here. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Let me x is equal to 2. X is 2 here. So 2 times 2 we get 4. Right? Then y is minus 1. Minus 1 positive times negative, get negative. So 4 here minus 1, you get 3. Hence, it's true that x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. Basically, this is how to deal with what you call elimination. First of all, when dealing with elimination, make sure the values are we have x here and x here. If they are not in their order, you rearrange, right? So once you rearrange like what I did here, then you check if they are similar. If we have 2x, we should also have 2x here. So for us to use elimination method to get 0, or whether to check this one. Once one of them is similar, just whether add or subtract to get 0 and find the other value. Then from there you substitute, you get your values. Basically, this is what you have to do when dealing with what you call elimination. Thank you guys for being together on this lesson. Please let's subscribe and continue enjoying more videos on this platform. So enjoy this simple lesson.